Hi everyone, this is an introduction video. Today we talk about the basic setting of the bot. I'll show you how to create a bot, set up system messages, add your teammate, and connect your channels. I'll show you the Odus interface and its main sections. First of all, we register on the platform. Then choose the language of the bot, business area, and enter your corporate email. Let's do this. Here you can write your promo code or do it later and click Create Assistant. Okay. First of all, it's necessary to fill in the constant fields, welcome message, and message in case the bot didn't understand the question, unexpected message. Let's do it. Hello, how can I help you? Click save unexpected message. Okay, I don't understand you. And you try again. Why not? Click save. Then, if you want to add another team member, you need to open the configure section in the left menu. Here you can select the required set of rights and send an invitation link. After registration, your team member will get access to your bot. Just open Permissions tab, choose Administrator, Marketer, or Operator, and generate link. Send it link to your teammate, copy code, and send. Close this pop-up. After your teammate connected, you can see his name here. So it's time to connect some channel. You can connect your Facebook page, for example. Just open Channel tab, click Messenger, connect your Facebook account, and then select your group, its Facebook page, and then click Connect button. You can connect your Facebook page or WhatsApp account, or you can create a bot for tests in Telegram. To remove any connection, just click on the cross button here. That's all. In the following videos, we talk about what a dialog builder is and how to use it. See you soon.